Building on the success of exporting steel processing lines to the American market, HONGKY has once again expanded overseas, delivering a state-of-the-art steel slitting line to Honduras. This marks a significant milestone, showcasing the relentless efforts of HONGKY's team of experts, engineers, and technicians. Although proudly made in Vietnam, every detail and component of the line meets the strict international standards for quality, safety, stability, and operational efficiency. Before shipment, the entire line undergoes a rigorous trial by fire, from precise measurements and fine-tuning of each module to full load testing and a complete system run under simulated real-world factory conditions. Every step is carried out under the strict supervision of experienced engineers. Packaging and transportation are also carefully managed to protect the machinery and components, ensuring the product arrives in perfect condition. For HONGKY, each export order is more than a business transaction. It is a statement of Vietnamese capability, determination, and ingenuity. It represents passion and ambition, the drive to elevate Vietnam's mechanical engineering industry onto the global stage. The HONGKY steel slitting line is designed with cutting-edge technology, capable of processing galvanized coils, hot-rolled coils, cold-rolled coils, stainless steel coils, and more, serving diverse industries such as construction, steel structures, household goods, and many other sectors. Equipped with advanced features like SCADA software for data storage and monitoring, intelligent PLC control, and safety systems including barriers and sensors, the HONGKY slitting line helps businesses optimize production, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. With over 40 years of experience in mechanical engineering, HONGKY delivers complete solutions from consultation, design, and manufacturing to installation, warranty, and maintenance, ensuring clients' technical requirements and project timelines are fully met. Contact our hotline 0909 073 505 for detailed consultation and quotation. Learn more at HONGKY.com.